Fifth grade. We only have this week left for math. So we only have 2 lessons left for math. And then we're done for the whole school year. You guys made it through. Well, almost. You have 1 more lesson to get through, and then you've made it through. So, exciting stuff. Yay. All right, today is lesson 5.5, decimal division. We are doing kind of the same thing as that there's 1 more step that we need to add. All right, so let's get to it. It says, Leah is making reusable shopping bags. She has 3 6/10 yards of fabric. She needs 3/10 yards of fabric for each bag. How many shopping bags can she make from the 3 6/10 yards of fabric? We're gonna skip their steps, and I'm just gonna show you the way that I normally show you. Sound good? Awesome. Okay, here we have our problem, and actually I've shown you when there's whole numbers on the outside, there's decimal on the inside, but I've never shown you when there's a decimal on the outside and a decimal on the inside. So what you're gonna do is when there's a decimal on the outside, the first thing that you're gonna do is you're actually gonna move it over 1 place. And then you're gonna do the same on the inside. Because it's almost like fractions. What you do to the top, you do to the bottom, except that when it's on the outside, you do it on the inside also. However many spaces you move, you're gonna move it in the same direction for your division. And now we can just divide normally. 3 goes into 3 1 time. Find the difference. Bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. Find the difference. And no remainder. So we didn't have any leftover decimal because once we moved it, we're all done. So Leah can make 12 bags. You can go ahead and skip draw conclusions 1, 2, and 3. All right, page 220. It says, Julie has $1.75 in nickels. How many stacks of 25 cents can she make from $1.75? Okay, here we have our problem. So remember, the first thing that we're gonna do if we have a decimal on the outside is we're gonna move it over to make it a whole number. So that's 2 places over here, which means that we're gonna move 2 places in the same direction. 1, 2. Awesome, and now we can divide. 25 doesn't go into 1, it doesn't go into 17, but it goes into 175 7 times. And there's no remainder. So because there is no decimal left over in our answer, because it's over here at the end, it's just 7. So Julie can make 7 stacks of 25 cents from $1.75. What I would suggest you do, 5th grade, is that you actually watch the parent lesson today because there were only 2 examples and they were very, very short. You will get more practice, don't worry. But if you do want to see how I do it again, watch the video again and again and again until you understand. Watch the parent section again and again and again until you understand. That is the wise thing to do. Kiddos of the 5th grade, you can go ahead and skip all of problem 18, also 16, 17. So again, 16, 17, and 18, you do not have to do today. Best of luck, y'all got this. Panda, 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 Panda Family Productions. Parents, today we are doing decimal division. Padres, hoy estamos dividiendo decimales, but there's an extra step. Hay un paso más. Because we are now dividing when there's decimals on the outside and decimals on the inside. Ahora estamos dividiendo cuando tenemos decimales afuera y adentro. So the very first thing that they're going to be doing, la primera cosa que van a hacer is that they have to move their decimal to make it a whole number. Tienen que mover el decimal para que lo hagan un número entero. And however many spaces they move on the outside, they also have to move on the inside. ¿Cuántos espacios o curvas mueven afuera? También tienen que mover adentro. So for this one, because we moved 1 place, we're going to move 1 place over here. Aquí como movimos un espacio, también vamos a mover un espacio aquí. And over here, because we moved 2 places, we're going to move 2 places. Y aquí porque movimos 2 lugares, vamos a mover 2 lugares. Now we can divide normally. Ahora podemos dividir normalmente. And these are our answers because we don't have any decimals left over on the inside. Y esta es la respuesta porque adentro no nos queda ningún decimal. As always, I am here and available to help you. Please send me a text, a email, a message on Google Hangouts. However you need to get a hold of me, I am here for you. Padres, como siempre, yo estoy aquí disponible para ustedes. Si necesitan ayuda en algo, me pueden textear, mandar un correo electrónico, un mensaje por Google Hangouts. Como necesitan contactarme, yo estoy aquí para ayudarles. And for anyone else who's maybe looking for a different math concept video, please drop a comment below and I would love to make a video for you. A lo mejor no han visto un video con el concepto que necesitan. Déjenme un comentario abajo y me encantaría hacerles un video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Gracias por ver el video y que tengan un buen día.